Jane is a successful and busy career woman who has always loved plants and flowers. Despite her busy schedule, she's always made time for her indoor garden, but she's struggled to keep her plants alive. Despite her best efforts, Jane has only been able to keep 10 plants alive at any given time, and she's frustrated by the amount of time and energy she has to spend watering and maintaining them. Jane has a deep longing to come home to a lush indoor garden that provides a peaceful and rejuvenating environment. She works long hours and is often exhausted by the end of the day. Her internal desire is to have a place where she can relax and unwind, surrounded by the beauty and life of her plants, without having to put in constant effort to maintain them. She dreams of a low-maintenance solution that allows her to fully enjoy her plants and find rest in her own home. Despite her efforts, Jane has tried many different types of pots and soil, but nothing seems to work. Her plants always die from overwatering or underwatering, and she's starting to feel like she'll never be able to have the indoor garden of her dreams. With her busy career, she can't afford to spend too much time on her plants, and she feels like giving up on her indoor garden. Jane comes across a self-watering planter brand Planterhoma online. She does quick research on the internet about the brand and learns more about their self-watering planters through their articles and videos. She gains the confidence to give it a try and decides to purchase a self-watering planter from Planterhoma. Despite her excitement, Jane is hesitant to make the purchase because she's worried that the self-watering planter will be too expensive or too complicated to use. She doesn't want to waste more time and money on a solution that doesn't work. With her busy career, she can't afford to spend too much time learning how to use a new product. To her surprise, it's easy to set up and use the self-watering planter by following the video instructions provided by Planterhoma. Her plants start to thrive, and she's amazed at how little time and effort she has to put into watering and maintaining her indoor garden. In just a few months, she's gone from having only 10 plants to over 20, and they're all thriving. The self-watering planter from Planterhoma has transformed Jane's life. She now has a beautiful indoor garden that brings joy and life to her home, and she doesn't have to worry about over or underwatering her plants. Jane feels proud of herself for finally achieving her dream of having a lush indoor garden, and she's grateful for the self-watering planter that made it all possible. She now spends much less time taking care of her plants, allowing her to enjoy them even more, and with her busy career, she can focus on her work without having to worry about her plants, giving her peace of mind and a sense of balance in her life.